Hi guys, it's me UBprogrammer, and in this video I'll be talking about how you can create your own Python custom package just like NumPy, and you can easily install it from just like you install any other package. Pip install NumPy or pip install pandas, and you can name your package anything you want.
So here I am on my computer screen and I am showing you my own custom Python package which is named as ubml. You can just easily install it by writing pip install ubml. It is already live on PyPi and you can just easily install it. It's basically a tool for uh, automate machine learning. You can just refer to the documentation here, right? So this is the official document and you can just install it and do automate the task for machine learning, like regression, classification, prediction, and so on. Okay, so now our is to understand how we can build a custom Python package from the scratch, right? So you should have a setup.py file in your folder. Let me just show how I am organizing this folder. So I am in my uh, let's see it from the beginning. So my Python packages, and in this I have this Python package ubml. So this is the basically the full folder structure of my Python package. And the main thing, setup.py, you have to include this because PyPi, which is where you will be hosting this project or Python package, will always look for your setup.py of your Python package. You can mention your name, the version, the description, what it's doing. So in my case it's automating machine learning. Then the packages, like what's the name of your package, right? And the author email, and this command, you can just search about it. It's just not allowing anyone to build it from the really scratch from the zip file. So it's a technical thing, but you can just search about it, and all of the other things are really straightforward, right? Now let's see what you have to include in your project. So it's ubml, and these things, these build, dist, and ubml.egginfo, this will be created after a command. I will just get back to it, but this setup.py and this ubml folder is really necessary. In this you have to create files, some files which are really necessary in order to proper working of your Python package. First is underscore underscore init underscore underscore dot py. This is really important to have in the folder of your package, because Python will always look for that, and this is basically the file telling the pip or PyPi that it's a complete Python package and you have to treat it that way. So it's that's why we have to include this. And in that I have just you can see from this file I am importing a function, and it's really simple. I will just get back to it. And after that you have to uh, give it a license.txt. So make sure all the spellings are just like the same, and the case also. So just like do the copy paste thing and it will work, right? Here I am just giving the lessons of the MIT text, so you can just search it online and you will get this note, or you can just uh, text me to send out this, right? Then we have readme.md, and in this I am just saying anything. You can do a markup file already, right? If I just go to my GitHub, I have updated this readme.md. So I'll just show you. This is where I'm hosting this project, so basically open source, right? You can always contribute in it. So I have readme.md to convert this into this nice looking page, right? You can always do that with the markdown files. Okay, cool. But here I have just basically written the installation, so just like not anything including in it, right? Then you have to build a setup.cfg file, and in that just copy paste this because it's included in every Python package, whatever you see, and you don't have to worry about it so much, just copy paste, right? Because it's giving the idea to the PyPi, like where to get the information about the package. Now train test.py, here I have all of my code, so you can just see it's a whole uh, lot of code, right? And so regression train test, and then you can see all the code, classification train test. So basically it will automatically train all the models and report their accuracies in one single command, right? So this is the thing. And if I just show you the use cases, I hope I will find it in my, where I will find it, source codes, yeah, then ubml, yeah. So if I just open it here and show you a use case of this library, this Python package, so that you can understand what you can do with your Python package, it's totally up to you, right? So basically what it will do is, it will, so here I am just importing the data, and with the regression train test from this ubml package, I can just train all models and get their accuracy score, or the metrics score, right? For regression we have different metrics in one single command. So you can see for the linear regression, lasso, ridge, SVR, decision tree, random forest, it all applied in one click, and it reported back the metric score. For classification, it will perform the where it is, yeah, so classification algorithms. So that's what my package is doing, and you can always build your own. And when you create all of these packages, so you have ubml and setup.py in your folder, right? Then what you have to do for uploading it to the PyPi, first of all go to the PyPi, PyPi, let me just write it down, PyPi, and just create a account here. Just go to this website and create an account here, register for it, right? When you will be registered for it, then you have to do a thing on your system which is pip install twine. So you have to use this package in order to, let me just close it down, in order to upload your Python package to the PyPi, so that you can install it with the pip install thing, just like you install NumPy or pandas, right? So you have to do this. I have already installed it, so I'm not gonna do this, right? Then to upload this, now the main thing is coming, twine upload this. So you have to do this. When you will do this, it will ask for your username, and what username is asking, it's basically your PyPi username and then the password, and it will just upload or make these files for you, right? And then what you can do is just pip install and your whatever your Python package name was, and it will work, right? So basically this was, and for the like creation of those folders, you have to do this command python setup.py as dist and bdist underscore wheel. So this is the command, and these commands will be in the description. You can always search for that, right, or check out the description. So this was it for the python custom packages and how you can upload it basically. And I hope you like the video, and by any chance if you don't understand the whole process behind it and you have a code written in the python and you want to convert it into a python package so that people can easily install with the pip install, right? So you can contact me maybe by this whatsapp or mail, and I will see if I can do anything for you. And yeah, that's it for the video. And for my library you can just go to this link and check out my tutorials for automatic machine learning using ubml, right? And this was it for this video. I hope you like it, and I will meet you in the next one.